Hey everyone, welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to link your bank account to your Binance account in 2025. So, let's get started. First, open your Binance app and log in to your account. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner of your screen. This will take you to your user settings. Next, click on the settings gear icon and scroll down to payment methods. Here, you'll see different payment options, including P2P, peer-to-peer payment methods, which allow you to add your bank account for transactions. Now tap on P2P payment methods, then select Add a payment method. Note, if your account is not verified, Binance might require you to complete identity verification before linking your bank account. Depending on your country or region, Binance will display the available payment options. Simply choose Bank Transfer, then enter your bank account details as required. Once you've entered your details, carefully review the information and tap Confirm. That's it. Your bank account is now successfully linked to Binance, allowing you to deposit and withdraw funds with ease. I hope this guide helped you. If you found it useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.